Want to know how to automate data entry with a modern CRM? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple it is to streamline your data entry tasks and free up time for more important work using the right tools. First, let's talk about why you should automate data entry in the first place. Doing manual data entry is time-consuming and prone to errors, which can lead to poor customer experiences and wasted time. A modern CRM can eliminate that. Automation allows you to capture, store, and use data without any extra effort on your part. The software we'll be using today lets you integrate your lead capture forms, emails, and even social media interactions directly into your CRM. This means any information that comes in through these channels gets stored automatically, and you don't have to worry about copying and pasting data manually. Pretty neat, right? Let's start with the basics. To automate your data entry, you'll need to set up the right integrations. For example, if you're using forms on your website to collect leads, you can connect those directly to the CRM. That way, as soon as someone fills out the form, their data is automatically added to your CRM without you having to do a thing. Next, let's look at email automation. Modern CRMs can automatically track incoming emails and even assign specific customer information to the right contact record. No more searching through email threads for important details. Your CRM does all the organizing for you. You can also automate customer interactions from social media. If someone reaches out through Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, that information gets captured in your CRM and you can follow up automatically. It's a huge time saver and ensures no lead slips through the cracks. Another feature that makes this CRM stand out is its ability to clean and update data automatically. So, if you have outdated information in your system, the software can flag it and even suggest updates based on recent interactions. This keeps your database accurate, up to date, and ready for action. Now, here's the kicker. This software I'm recommending has a super simple user interface. Even if you're not very tech savvy, setting up these automations is a breeze. I've tried all the popular CRMs, and this one stands out in terms of ease of use and the ability to automate data entry with minimal effort. Want to follow along? I've linked an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below just for viewers of this channel. You won't find this offer anywhere else, so make sure to grab it while you can. So, what's the key takeaway from today? Automating data entry with a modern CRM is an absolute game changer. It saves you time, reduces human error, and ensures your customer data is always up to date and organized. To quickly recap, 1. Integrate your lead capture forms, emails, and social media to your CRM. 2. Set up automation to pull in data as it comes in. 3. Use features that clean and update data automatically to keep your CRM accurate. 4. Enjoy the ease of use that comes with modern CRM software. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial linked in the description below. Happy automating, and I'll see you in the next video.